So Vybz Kartel is back in Jamaica from St. Vincent, and right now the St. Vincent people, some of them are going like, say, boy, them now want Vybz Kartel for run the country, but it too late. People, make sure so you subscribe, smash it like. Right now, World Boss trending continuously. You see some people are going like, say, World Boss they on the internet too much. But who is them fi come tell World Boss what him fi do within business? No, going viral is nothing new to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is one of Jamaica's most viral artists. Not even Foota hype not viral like Vybz Kartel. So you don't know. Not even when you see not even the viral king, the viral like Vybz Kartel. You must know. So now Vybz Kartel have the most anticipated show on the way up in December. So everybody's speaking about this show. Now people will switch brought Isaiah Lane forward and address the whole situation, and it was respectable of Mr. Lane and the way him said it. The way him even say he himself will be attending the show. So you know people, no hate is there. The man make sure and clear up that and make on the know. No hate, no feelings. Carrying is just realness. So the man say him have to protect him sure and the brand. So once it's not on the same date, it shouldn't be any problem. So big up Mr. Lane and big up Cartel as well. So now people, what we are talking about now, the biggest two show them for December. And you know say people are save up their money from right now. From them time to right now. So you know say right now everybody I make sure say them get that suit there, that clocks there, that ear dress there, that hairdresser there. Where I do them ear there, I go make enough money, you know. You see me? So here what I go on know. All of them nearly we have to do. You don't know say enough money, you know. So the man them have to go make enough money, you know, cause the woman them want come out in a style, you know. So here what I go on know. Cartel and make the people them know say are the biggest night in a dance hall. So what's going on right now? Will my father be performing at Cartel show, right? And people want to know if Alkaline perform a Sting, you know what I mean? Will Sting change from how it was last time? You know what I mean? And with Vybz Cartel being home and Alkaline having fans, you know, the Vendetta them and the Gaza thing how it go already. So will it make Mr. Lane show stand out? Cause you don't know say when Vendetta show keep on a normal sitting and now you see Royal Boss forward, the king of the dancehall, everybody I wait and I anticipate and I say, yo, Clarks them have a brand new. You see, them buy Clarks boss that Say Clarks them have a fresh brother. You see, yeah man, make sure say you get the grabber too cause the spliff of a hot grabber and Clarks. Yeah man, I be a branding man. So now people, this is what we are talking about now. So this cartel running for president in St. Vincent, cause from what their cartel been running with the president of St. Vincent, and a lot of people been speculating and I say one Def Cartel is into politics now, which it's not surprising to see a person go into politics. Look at Shine. Remember Shine just got back from prison after doing 10 years. Bad boy artist Shine, and now Shine is a politician. So none of that stuff is impossible or too alarming to be like, I can't believe that, you understand? So that's just how that goes. And now the big speculation is Foota Hype and a lot more people been saying that they're not sure if this is the real cartel. J Progress saying it, saying he not sure if this is the real cartel cause some saying he look different, some saying he moving different. So drop it in the comment section. What are your thoughts on is this the real cartel, right? But anyway, everybody still, whether no one believes that the real cartel or not, we not got the dance. So, I who not go for see. Now, must the real cartel? Alright, sir. Mm. So Vybz Kartel, you see Vybz Kartel forward and the big things. Even went on live, give his son over 10,000 US. You know what I mean? So it's millions we're talking about. Gaza worth millions. So when I don't know the things that for the past years that Cartel been incarcerated, Cartel still manage to still outdo a lot of artists that was outside freely moving around. And Cartel is still able to still in the business consistently relevant right through. It's like when Cartel get locked up until the point the Cartel forward. It wasn't a dull moment where you say you're not hearing a Cartel. If anything, the fans just miss him. But it wasn't a dull moment where you be like, we're not hearing a Cartel. Cartel play right through, right through. That's the amazing thing about Cartel. Him have such, it's just a wide catalog of music, man. Like, it's just crazy. You know what I mean? So much music. It hard to keep up with so much music. And too many artists have such a broad catalog of music like a Cartel have. So even a lot of songs where go viral on TikTok as a Cartel, I tell you say those songs is like 20-year old and now kids up on TikTok still a dance to it. You see it? So that's just show you the relevance of Cartel have with this generation and what to come. So people, wanna think, is this the real Cartel? And this Cartel now a politician? And will Cartel be moving from Jamaica to St. Vincent? Which nothing is wrong with that. Don't everybody from Jamaica want to move? Not be a foreigner that Jamaica. Alright, sir. So, I don't know why some people that make it look like say boy it's a bad thing if a DJ say him not stay at Jamaica. And speculations are that the Gaza boss want to go to England, which nothing is wrong. The man a superstar. The man supposed to have him privileges. To fly anywhere he want, in a any weather. Remember the man say money in a any weather. So the jet will fly in a any weather. Yeah. hmm People make sure so on the subscribe and smash it like, light up a split. Yeah. The guys are boss step on the road, people. And right now, may I tell you say, go get a fresh clocks. Cause me can't go the show. You know, nothing where me wear. Yo, bad man. Everybody a talk about it. My neighbor girl a talk about it. She a got a cartel show. We just don't want hear nobody say them not no money next day, 'Cause you know say all this VIP ticket, I carry money, So me don't want hear nobody say them not no money here, sir. Straight.